Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special. And we're going to play another NES game with Wheel of Fortune. Let's see how we do. Let's have a good game. Let's play. Round 1. The category is phrase. I'll have an S. Is there a T? Alright. Alright. Let's have an H. One H. I like to buy an E. 3 E's, okay. Spin the wheel. $7.50, that's a good one. R. Alright, 2 R's. $2,650 right now. Is there an N? Yes, there is. Just to be safe, let me buy the O. Yep, I'm safe. 2 O's. I'll spin the wheel again. Let me have a Z. 1 Z up to $3,000 right now. Can I have a D? I can indeed have a D. And I'll have a G. Alright, that's $3,500 at the end of round 1. On the razor's edge. I'll solve. Let's get ready for round 2. The category for this round is phrase yet again, and Timbo finally gets a turn. $600. No, there's no F. Louise. $150. No, no L. Okay. Got a free spin. And I'm fine. $750. Is there a T? 3 T's, and I have I'd like to buy an E. $300. Let me have a K. 1 K. I'll buy an A. And I've got it. I'll spin. And I got another free spin. Let me have an S. There There are 2 S's, $3,550. Let's keep going. $800. C. There's a C. $4,350. We're gonna go one more time. And I'll have an M. Why not? There's the M. $4,850. That'll give me $8,350 for the game so far. Take it as it comes. Is that the correct answer? Yes, it is. Let's play Speed Up. The wheel's going to be spun one last time. We'll be asked to give a letter if it's in the puzzle with 5 seconds to solve it. Vowels worth nothing. Consonants worth... well, $200 a piece is all we're going to get. Phrase is the category yet again. And Louise, we'll start with you. 1 O. No cash for the O, but you get 5 seconds. Yeah, it's too early to solve. R. Yeah, 2 R's, that's $400, and now I get 5 seconds to mess that. Not gonna try. Timbo. No F. Louise. No B. T. No T's either. Timbo. Yeah, 2 N's. You're on the board with $400. Phrase. Louise, you have a letter, please. 3 E's. Again, no cash for the E's, but you do get 5 seconds and a little more information. L. Yeah, 2 L's, $800. Earn while you learn. That is correct. So I end up with $9,150 cash. And we're going to go play the bonus round for a chance at a great bonus prize. We have 6 to choose from, but we can only choose 1. And I've already decided before we went on the air which prize we're going to play for. Of the 6 prizes, we're going to go for the sports car. Okay? Let's try to solve people as we put up 5 consonants and a vowel. I'll choose the usual R, S, T, L, and E. Well, we're going to get a few letters, not as many as I hoped, but perhaps it might be enough to do it. Let's find out. Let's get the letters up. And now, let's solve it. Muscular Dystrophy Association. That is correct. So that's $9,150 in cash and a sports car. See y'all for another game after the break. Oh, that's the wrong music cue. We need the other music cue. Thank you. And we'll be back for another game right after this.